Okay, I'm going to close this Linux system down and we're going to take a look at XP Pro, and we're going to look at applications, and we're going to look at some utility software. So to shut Ubuntu down, notice that we've got a little settings icon in the top right hand corner, and we just choose shut down. There we go, job done. So let me start up XP Pro. And there are two kinds of software that run on a computer. There's the user software, the user applications, which you're used to. So if I come to the start menu, you will find applications such as Word. This is a graphics package, a programming package, Notepad. These are user applications. So starting up Microsoft Word, there you go, I have started it. But as I said before, there are two kinds of programs, two kinds of applications. The second set of applications that I want to point out are ones that are there to analyze the computer, not control it, but just analyze it, give me some information. And if I go to my computer, that might take a while. Let's go back now. If I right click on my computer and choose manage, there we go, I can close this down. These are called utility tools. Now they're there to help you control or use your computer. So these are system tools. They're little programs, they're applications just the same as Microsoft Word, Excel and so on, but you don't often use them. A technician may use them more than you will do, but they're there to help you sort of diagnose what's gone wrong with your computer, find things out. So one item is this event viewer, and I can see what's happened to all the events, and I get information about what has happened, any warnings that may come up, any problems, any programs which haven't started. Then I've got an area for security. There's been no hacks or problems with my computer, and then onto the system. Notice I've got one or two errors, so to keep my system up and running I might want to go and find out what these are and try and fix them. But these are sort of back-end processes which enable me to check the health of my computer and see what's happening. Again, I can set up users. We've got a few users in here. I've got a guest, disconnected, help assistant, so I've got myself, my wife and the administrator, and I can manage accounts from here. So I can say that my password never expires. I can say that I can't change my password. Again, I am trying to control the computer with these applications. They're called utility applications. So I've got performance, how it's doing, what problems I've had, what's connected to my computer. So for example, this is the hard drives, and it will tell me all the different hard drives I've got connected, and what mice I've got connected, and what network I've got connected, and monitors and so on. So they really are there to help me. We will cover disk defragmentation and disk management later. The next one down that I want to show you is the services, and we'll come to services a little bit later on, or in another video. But basically these are even smaller applications that are running in the background of your computer, controlling it. So there's quite a few, not a great deal. These are loaded as soon as your computer is turned on. These go into memory, and these really manage your computer, manage the screen, manage the mouse, manage the communications, and so on. And these are called services. They're small applications which you will find in the system folder. So if I go to folders, in the Windows folder, I'll try my computer again, there we go. On my local disk, if I go to the Windows folder, I will find a folder called Systems, System 32, because the computer is a 32-bit computer. And inside here I've got all applications which are designed to be background processes which will do certain tasks. So booting up the computer, checking the screen, checking the mouse. And these are all the files which control the system. This one we shall use shortly, the command system, which we'll also find here, the command prompt. I could start it from here, or I could start it from here. It is a background process. But before I do that, I want to show you some background programs running. So the point of this video was to show you that we got two different kinds of applications: the ones that you use, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Word, Excel, and the ones that the computer uses, the system software, the utility software, things that do things to the computer and possibly you're not even aware of that happening.